The government has launched a public consultation on tobacco control strategies. This as authorities have proposed 14 measures, including raising the tobacco duty and fines and expanding no-smoking areas to lower the city's smoking prevalence. Sharon Tang has our top story.
The city's smoking rate in 2021 stood at 9.5%, and the government aims to ultimately achieve a tobacco-free Hong Kong. Today, authorities have proposed 14 measures which can be classified into 4 categories. To regulate supply, it is suggested that the current $50 tobacco duty be raised, so much so that the tax would constitute at least 75% of the retail price as recommended by the World Health Organization. Taking reference of overseas practices, the sale of tobacco products may be restricted to individuals of a specific age or older. The government will also consider prohibiting the possession of alternative smoking products such as e-cigarettes. The second category of measures would clamp down on advertisements. Authorities seek to regulate the additives on tobacco products such as menthol, fruit and confectionery flavors so that it's less tempting for young people and females. Also, the government may impose plain packaging requirements on tobacco products and reduce the exposure of tobacco products at retail points. Thirdly, expanding statutory non-smoking areas to premises such as hospitals and areas near schools. Authorities will also consider banning people from smoking while walking on the street. The current $1,500 fine may be raised to between $3,000 and $5,000. Finally, education. Authorities suggest making use of district health centres to help people quit smoking.
By the year 2025, we aim at a smoking rate of 7.8%. So that means a reduction of 1.7% of the population. That is a reduction of over 100,000. That is the rough idea of how we want to achieve the target.
When asked if the measures will affect the rights of smokers, Low stressed cigarettes do more harm to residents than anything else. The consultation period lasts until September 30th. Meanwhile, a newspaper stall owner says the sale of cigarettes is one of his main sources of income. With another round of tobacco tax increase, he expects more stalls will close down and doubts how the government will support people like them. The Hong Kong Council on Smoking and Health welcomes the proposals and believes many residents are willing to do more to protect the younger generation. Sharon Tang, TVB News.